Hi, this is Joe from domainacademy.com, and today I wanted to talk with you about a simple trick that you can use to see what names are still available to buy. There's a lot of competition when these lists come out, and this will give you an edge on the competitors. So using a list that we've got from Premier Services of closeout names, which are buy now, first person to buy it wins the name. I'm going to use this as a perfect example, but there's lots of companies that send these lists out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy everything that's on here, right? And then I'm going to head over to domainacademy.com/tools, and from there, once you're logged in, you'll have a list of tools, and I'm going to be using the data manipulation tool. So I'm going to load that up, and what this does, it does a lot. We're going to look at the parse today, parse tab, and what that's going to do is take everything that's not a domain name and remove it and leave you a nice clean list of domains. And now I'm going to take this results, the 92 names that are listed, and I'm going to go over to Google and search GoDaddy's bulk domain search. And I'm going to click the link to bring me there, and I am going to load this list in and do a quick search. And you should make a bookmark here. It makes it a lot easier to get to. And it's going to show me that there are 61 names that are available. They're all auctions, obviously, and there's 31 that are taken. It'll show you which ones people already registered from that list. And then from here, like spinesurgery.io, you could just add these types of names, right? Phablet. You could just put them in and then add them to your cart and check out right from here. So this helps you to find out at a glance what names are still available and get them into the cart really quickly, and you don't waste any time spending time looking over names that are already registered. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out at domainacademy.com.